I'm about to buy a $411 glass blade. Monolit, I'm putting you to the test. Was it worth it? I'll let you be the judge when you see the finished product. Now this is how another glass blade was cutting. Yikes. My friends at San Diego Marble and Tile told me this was the best glass blade, so I gave it a try. This sheet mounted tile is the reason I needed the best blade I could find. It's a blend of marble and mirrored glass. If it were only glass, I can easily score and snap them on my cutting board, but since it's a blend, I needed something to cut through both materials. This glass is also a solid 1/2 inch thick, which means it takes a lot longer to cut, especially without a top-of-the-line blade. Normally you'd cut glass upside down if it has a backing, especially with mirrored glass because you'd see any imperfections. But if I cut the stone upside down, it would blow out the face of the marble. So I tried cutting it right side up, and look at that cut. It's literally perfect, and it doesn't even need to be softened. You can really see the beauty of these cuts on the finished product where everything is grouted and clean. I added a pro tip on cutting this glass at the end of this video, so don't miss it. But what do you think? Was this blade worth $411? Let me know in the comments. For me, in this situation, I would say it definitely was, because I needed it immediately and had to make this job perfect. I knew Monolit was a reputable brand and assumed that because of the price, I wouldn't have any trouble. I did find out on Amazon for $100 cheaper. I put a link in the description of this video, so you're welcome for that. I would like to compare it side by side with other glass blades that don't cost as much and see how it goes. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Now here's the pro tip. My right hand is just holding the glass flat to keep it from moving, but giving no forward pressure. My left hand is bracing the tray while my thumb is slowly inching forward to keep a slow and consistent pressure. This will give you the best result. Now, if you thought this glass was challenging, you have to see this video about one of the most challenging glass tiles to install. Thanks for watching, and tile on, my friends.